Every individual is intellectual. These are all stepping stones to thinking innovatively. How much you make, that doesn't matter. What contribution you make to the society matters a lot. Think differently. Think differently. Yes. Do you have the potential to take care of only your family? No, my dear students. You have the potential to take care of 8 billion people in this world, my dear students. My name is Dr. Raju Mutyala, Principal of Sri Venkateswara Engineering College, Suryapet. We've gathered here to celebrate National Science Day. The occasion, why it is celebrated on 28th February. There is a special occasion for this day. Started 97 years ago. 28th February 1928, almost around 27 years ago, C.V. Ram, Chandrasekhar Venkataraman received. He developed the Raman effect. He discovered that effect. So later he received a Nobel Prize in 1930s, at the age of 42 years. He was the first Asian to receive the Nobel Prize and the first non-white to receive Nobel Prize in Science field. Before it was not. Raman was born on 7th November 1888 to the parents, Tamil Brahmin parents, Chandrasekhar and Parvati in Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu, India. Everybody knows that. Raman was an Indian physicist. He was well known and he is well known. His name is still vibrating forever for his work in the field of light scattering. He was the second boy of 8 siblings. His father was a teacher at a local high school. He completed his secondary education from Anglo-Indian High School, Visakhapatnam, at age 11. And that time his father was working at Visakhapatnam. Actually they belonged to Tamil Nadu, but those days his father transferred to Visakhapatnam, so he did schooling here. Later, again his father being transferred to Tamil Nadu, that is Madras. So in Presidency College, he completed higher secondary education at the age of 13. Later, he completed his BA and MA from the University of Madras, where he stood first and got the gold medal in physics and English. He got full command as a graduate student. At the age of 18 years, he published 2 papers. One paper titled Unsymmetrical Diffraction Bands in the British Journal. In the same year, another paper in the same journal, Surface Tension of Liquids. You might have studied what is surface tension. The intermediate students might have studied that. As a graduate, he published 2 papers. After completion of his studies, he got a job in Indian Finance Service at Kolkata in 1909. as a assistant accountant general. There he became, see how the opportunity, even C.V. Raman did not know as he is going to get the aid and support to get a Nobel Prize. The opportunity molded like this. Actually, he got a job, and while working at Kolkata, he became acquainted with the Indian Association for cultivation of science. That is the first Indian research institution established in Kolkata. That was the stepping stone. That was the institution allowed C.V. Raman to carry out his independent research work and also supported funds. There he made his contributions considerably to the society in optics and acoustics. And he also invented spectrograph that he made. With that instrument, C.V. Raman and his student, see the role of the student, how it is. Raman and his student discovered that when the light traverses a transparent material, reflected light changes its wavelength. This phenomenon termed as Raman effect or Raman scattering, which was discovered on 28th February 1928. Just see, 97 years ago this was happened. This day is celebrated annually by the Government of India as National Science Day. He also, after receiving Nobel Prize at the age of 42, he was the first Indian director for Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. How many of you are aware? I do not know. You might have known IITs, but premier institution in India is not IIT, IISc, Indian Institute of Science. Earlier people used to call it as a Tata institution. Tata institution, it was established by Tata company. Later Indian government took over this. For that, earlier directors all Britishers, but in 1933, for the first time, the Indian director was Dr. C.V. Raman. After, see how teachers, directors were 100 years ago to head the organization, a person, Nobel laureate. That was the standard used. And that day, to commemorate his considerations in the globe, to commemorate, to memorize every year, like him, so many people contributed to the nation, indeed the world. So, young minds, now you are sitting all here. After 10 years, after 20 years, there is no doubt about you students. Some of you are going to attend IITs, attend NITs, working for ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization, working for DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization. Like all you people going to contribute like great people, Einstein, Newton, C.V. Raman, like your seniors, the upcoming teachers should say that some of our students are working for NASA, some of our students are working for DRDO Director, HPCL, IOCL, some of our students are acting as administrative officers. So we need to say proudly, confidently about all you, my dear students. Don't think that he is great, she is great. That is wrong interpretation. Impression. Every individual is intellectual. You have lot of potential, lot of voltage, that you do not know at this time, at this place. To see how much potential, how much voltage, how much influence, how much vibrant you are, to see that it takes time. But I advise you the importance of Science Day. Whatever the models you are preparing is enough. These are all stepping stones to thinking innovatively. I have seen many cases students are copying. Okay, even while copying also they will learn something. Right? So I have seen so many cases in government schools, colleges, students are carrying out some prototype models so that that is the insight, that is a driving force, that is gearing you up to go ahead to vibrate this nation, indeed the world, my dear students. So you need to leave your legacy in the sands of history when your time comes. Right? See, science and technology, how it matters. How many of you are aware the science, technology, 100 years ago? Where is US? Where is India? From here, US is located around 15,000 kilometers. Where is UK? Around 9,000 kilometers. So, connection. There was no connectivity. Right? Because of technology, because of science, because of internet. Now, entire world has become a global village, my dear students. Because of this technology, because of this science, what's happening here? Being in this remote place, people can watch in America what's been happening here. What's happening in MIT, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. You can Google, you can go through that, what's happening. So this is all because of imprints of legacy of our forefathers. But see, we are not here forever, my dear students. Where is C.V. Raman? Where is Newton? Where is all people? They have become topsoil. We also become, when time comes, a topsoil after some time. So between birth and death, what legacy, what imprints you are going to leave in the history matters a lot, my dear students. So every time, every second, every minute, every cell of your body is dedicated to not yourself, to develop the nation, indeed the world. We all teachers, all parents, grandparents, great-grandparents, they will tell you, don't do this, you work like this. So, they are well experienced, my dear students, your teachers, your principal, your neighbors, all are experienced. When we say, you need to accept readily. Right? So, life is hurdles, full of problems. See, everybody, we have 24 hours of time, my dear students, in a day. You all, majority of the students, the people, they do not know how to run the day. If you do not have plan to run the day will run you, my dear students. You have to control whole day. You need to sit in your driver's seat of your life, my dear students. For example, how you understand whether you are in driver's seat of your life or not. I will tell you to make you understand. Let's one boy or girl studying very seriously. Or simply he is reading. If I come, his or her friend will come and ask, okay, why you are reading, why don't you come outside? Then he is going, she is going. That indicates that they are not in their driver's seat of their life. So I suggest you, I advocate you, everybody, you do not believe anybody, including me, my dear student. You should know about you, what you are, where you are strong. Try to rectify, try to strengthen your weak areas. Every time. See, if you lose $1 million, $1 billion, $1 trillion, there is a tremendous possibility to get back in your lifetime. But see, I may not give you 1,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees, a lakh. That's highly impossible. But I am sharing, which is more than money, my dear students. My lifetime is limited with the seconds. Your lifetime is also limited with the seconds. If it is done, you can get back. So my lifetime is limited because of your principal request. I am here to impact, to vibrate all you students. See, almost I am here for last 30 minutes. I never ever get back these 30 minutes even if you are ready to pay. You cannot evaluate your teachers, my dear students, whoever it is. Every time you pay attention, you think in that way, how much you make, that doesn't matter. What contribution you make to the society matters a lot. That impression is very important. For example, you see, science, how it is important. Like for a human being, for a complete human being, five sense organs. The basic five sense organs are very important. Like eyes, nose, ears, skin, tongue. These five sense organs, if they function, we say, okay, he or she is complete human being, right? Like to say, complete human being, to run this globe, electrical engineers are required, mechanical engineers are required, civil engineers are required, computer science engineers are required, electronics and communication engineers are required, my dear students. That's what. Do not think that only computer science is doing wonders. Not like that. See, now you are sitting in this building constructed by Royal Civil Engineers. Let's, after completion of your course, if some of you are running to do your masters in US, you have to travel by airways. That's made by mighty mechanical engineers. Right? You are browsing, watching mobiles. That is a combination of electronics and computer science. And you are using fans, tube lights. That is electrical engineering. So, for a complete human being, how five sense organs are important for the globe. These five common engineering courses are very, very important, my dear students. So, what you become in your future doesn't matter. Whatever the branch you take, want to become an administrative officer, want to become a scientist, a lawyer, a politician, every field demands good education. Unless you are good at education, you never ever become a good officer, my dear students. That's very, very important. There are two types of education. There are two types of education, my dear students. One is formal education, and another is social education. Formal education, what you get from schools. That is structured, standard, systematic one. Because in mathematics, 10 chapters are there. In physics, 12 chapters are there. Whatever is there in the syllabus, your teachers will teach the same thing. You will write the same thing. You will get 9 by 10, 10 by 10. You will get. That is standard, systematic. But beyond this, like why C.V. Raman became Nobel laureate, other people did not. When C.V. Raman studied in Vizag, Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh, his classmates never come up or gear up like him. What made him to become Nobel laureate? That's what I am trying to tell you, my dear students. Think differently. Think differently. Every time you think, you feel the feeling of satisfaction. Already you have achieved it. You feel the feeling of that. Yes, I am capable of doing something. Like, see, what is our human body, my dear students? Made by trillion cells. Don't send contradictory messages to your cells. One time, yes, I can do it. I can become an IAS officer. Next time, oh, competition is too high. Can I become again? You are sending negative messages. So, your body is made of all trillion cells. They are confused. They are in the state of confusion. They are in the state of turmoil. Could not able to understand what should I do. Because body is represented by infinite cells only. That's the reason. Every time think positively. Yes, I can. That's important. Do not stop your journey of learning till your last breath, my dear students. That's not that much easy. The passion you need to create. The passion. Like, see, Sunita Williams, how many of you are aware Sunita Williams, where she is? Yeah, Sunita Williams is in space. And how far it is from Earth? Sunita Williams is to be discussed. 400 kilometers from the Earth's surface with a great speed. Just imagine, my dear students, if you treat this as a planet of Earth, from planet of Earth, this is the place where ISS, International Space Station, how we constructed this building, how a lorry is constructed or manufactured, how an aircraft is manufactured. Similarly, in the space around 400 kilometers from the Earth's surface, that orbit, if you keep any object at 400 kilometers that revolves around the Earth with a great speed of 30,000 kilometers per hour. Our car, 100 kilometers means we think, oh, it is too much, 100 kilometers per hour. But ISS, International Space Station, is revolving around the Earth with a great speed. How much it is? 28, exact figure is 28,000 kilometers per hour. Within 90 minutes, it makes one full rotation around the Earth, my dear students. With that great speed, how we are constructing buildings on the ground. At the great speed, they will throw first one object here, and it will be moving with great velocity. Again, shuttle will come, and next object it will take. Again, slowly after 2 days, it will merge with this, and at 28,000 kilometers per hour, they are using nut and bolts and joining. Where we are, 28,000 kilometers straight, there in the space they are joining. How much material they kept, you know? This is, let us, half-liter bottle, half kg. These two bottles will become 1 kg, 1 liter. Density of water is 1000 liters per kg. So 1000 liters is 1 ton. So 400 tons material is kept in the space, my dear students. To construct International Space Station, it took 12 years of time. International Space Station is organized by US, neighbor country Canada, Russia, Japan, Europe. These 5 countries constructed this International Space Station. Sunita Williams went to do the research for a week, but unfortunately, due to helium leakages, the space shuttle stuck there, could not able to run or come back to Earth's surface. So she's been from last 8+ months in the space. So think innovatively. What made to be there in the space, my dear students? Only science and technology. Education is the powerful weapon with which you can change the world, not yourself, my dear students. Most of you think that getting a job. If once you get a job, you think, majority of you think that settled, my life is settled. You think that way. Getting job is not completeness. If you get a job, you survive yourself, you are safe, you are secure, your family is safe. But do you have the potential to take care of only your family? No, my dear students. You have the potential to take care of 8 billion people in this world, my dear students. Like Sundar Pichai, studied at IIT Kharagpur in metallurgical engineering, and went to US and studied in Stanford University material science, and later he joined Google, and now he is making 2,000 crores per year. But how much he is making doesn't matter. The contribution he made to the society matters a lot, my dear students. He invented Google Maps. Try to understand, he did not study computer science, basically total mechanical background. But when joining in 2004, the company founder said that Sundar Pichai, you are not answering, I may not take you. But Sundar said, sir, if opportunity is given, I will prove myself. This dialogue in 2004. That time Google was also a baby because established in the year 98. But after 10 years, you know, the founder of the Google wrote resignation. I can't run this Google company. Sundar, you are the right person. Among 80,000 people, you are the right person. If I want to see my baby, my company in the globe, like forever, I did not find any alternative. You are the person capable to run my company as I have done in the past. So, Sundar is acting as a Google CEO and chairman from 2014, my dear students. And also, his name being referred in Times Magazine twice as 100 most influential people in the world. So Sundar is not different. We are not different. We are all made by the same. Yes or no? That's what we are having lot of capabilities, lot of potential, my dear students. You don't forget that. Don't think that, okay, someone will come and help me. Who will come and who will help you? Nobody will come. Parents won't come. Already your parents got tired. Your parents got tired, my dear students. So now it's your responsibility. Be aggressive, be bold, and take the right decision. Yes, I need to leave my legacy. I need to make impact. I need to make remarks in this wonderful world. The future of this country, future of this world is in your hands, my dear students. The science, the technology which is readily available. Don't try to reinvent the wheel which is already perfect. And how to use it effectively to make your future better in upcoming years, that is very, very important. So, like celebration, every year we'll celebrate National Science Day. Before celebrating National Science Day, as a well-experienced person, I would like to put forward to each and every individual, how many hours in a day you are materializing, you are preparing seriously. People say that, I never failed. Why do you fail? Your target is very small, tiny. If you solve a plus b whole square means a square plus b square plus 2ab, it is nothing. A is equal to 2, b is equal to 3. But if I give you, this is a mobile, practical question. Now it is, see, if I leave it, it is sinking or not? But now it is a stable, standstill condition. What law is applicable here, anybody? If I leave it, it will fall or not? But now it is standstill condition. Why it is? What? Newton's third law, action reaction. See, if this mobile, for example, I am standing, my weight is 75 kgs, so my action is 75 kgs, so this body is also supporting 75 kgs. That is the reason I am able to walk. But if you do the same thing, if I release the mobile on the water, it will sink. The reason? Action is weight of the mobile, but reaction, water offer the same? No, that is the reason Newton's third law is not valid, not applicable in those cases. That's what practically, like action reaction. If you feel the feeling of already you have attained, I want to become something, I want to make imprints, with that passion, that determination, commitment, if you work hard, obviously you are going to get back. You all are going, you are growing Chinese bamboo tree. How many of you are know the story of Chinese bamboo tree? With this I will stop in 5 minutes. How many of you are aware of Chinese bamboo tree? Wonderful. This is, everybody must understand Chinese bamboo tree. I will tell you, including me, your teachers, we've all been cultivating, growing Chinese bamboo trees. If we want to compete in the globe, Chinese bamboo tree means what, my dear students? Like normal plant, if you plant a seed today, usually if you take a mango seed, right, a lemon seed, if you throw them in the soil, after 1 week, it sprouts or not? If you water, it says, yes, I am there, you can see, I am growing. After a week, you can see the growth. It sprouts, yes, I am there, I am visible. But if it comes to Chinese bamboo tree, my dear students, Every day, the farmer who is growing the Chinese bamboo tree, watering, nurturing, sunlight, fertile soil, adding fertilizer, everything. But did this for 1 year. After 360 days also, no visible signs of activity. After 1 year, again, in the second year also, farmer every day is watering. When it is watered, obviously weeds will come. Kalpumakkal weeds ante. We need to remove the weeds. But sunlight naturally it is coming. In the second year also, no visible signs of activity. Like third year, fourth year, for 4 years, the farmer who is growing the Chinese bamboo tree, he lost his hope almost. But you know, in the fifth year, within 6 weeks, it grows 90 feet tall, my dear students. Now, you tell me, the growth of the Chinese bamboo tree, 90 feet in 6 weeks or 4 years. That 90 feet tall is for 6 weeks or for 4 years? You are not able to connect to me. 4 years. The reason, if the farmer who is growing the Chinese bamboo tree would have stopped watering, nurturing, the bamboo tree would have died in the ground itself or not? Yes. So, that's what I am telling. You all been growing Chinese bamboo trees, my dear students. అంటే మీరందరూ ఇప్పుడు you have already watering, like అంటే ఒకరికి ఐఏఎస్ ఆఫీసర్ కావాలని, ఒకరికి ఎన్ఐటీలో కావాలని, ఒకరికి ఐఐటీలో కావాలని, you are dreaming of it. That is your Chinese bamboo tree. But if you nurture it, there is no doubt about it, my dear students. You will see fruitful result after 4 years or 5 years. But majority of the students, what you do, you know, today you are planting, tomorrow you want to pluck the mangoes. Does it happen? No. You need to wait for minimum 5 years to pluck a mango from mango tree. But to get a fruitful life, good job as an officer, how much time is required, my dear students? Lot of time, precious time is required. That is the reason, don't believe anything. You believe in yourself, in your abilities, your capabilities. Then you will do wonderful things. But I have noticed here, only 20 to 30% students are serious. The rest is drowsy, indolent, lazy, inactive. Just they are here physically. Physical presence is not required. Your mental presence is required, my dear students. But as a teacher, this is my message. Whether you accept or not, I need to deliver that. But thank you, principal and staff.